Life is what you make it. So is supersizing your business and growing your business. Life, business, you can fill in the blank, is what you make it. The origin of this particular idiom is unknown, of course. It seems like a lot of them about confidence are unknown, probably because people have been people for since mankind existed, and so it's hard to pinpoint when somebody actually started using an idiom or an expression. This expression, of course, implies that we have the ability to create and control the life, which includes our business, that we want. What we want to see in the world, we can create. We can have the life experience we want to have. Now, you can point to all the examples of people that have not the life experience you would think that they want to have, but we're not talking about that today. We're talking about our ability to choose and control. Based on our choices, our actions, and our attitudes, we create the experiences and the situations that come our way, right? Some we don't create, but we always have the ability to control and respond and control how we're going to respond to the things that happen in our life when we're creating our life and creating the business that we want to see in the world. And supersizing our business is the same way. We are always going to face challenges and obstacles that pop up, and it's up to us to decide how are we going to respond to these that are in alignment with our core values and goals, that are in alignment with our mission and our purpose and our principles and what it is that we're trying to create with our business in the world. Because we all have started our business for a reason. We didn't just decide one day we were going to wake up and start a business. It takes a lot of thought, a lot of work, a lot of energy, and a lot of effort to create and run a successful business, much less grow and supersize that business. So today I'm thinking about, and what this idiom reminded me of is, do I have a powerful question that I ask myself, or I'm asking myself on a regular basis, to move my business and my life in the direction I want it to? And I do have that. I had a sudden cardiac arrest in 2010 and realized, and I learned about this from Tony Robbins decades earlier, the idea of questions and having a power question. And I realized that my underlying question was WTF. And I was running everything in my life through the filter of WTF, meaning something was always wrong, right? There was always something that wasn't right about the situation. Therefore, I was seeing tons of frustrations, tons of unnecessary problems and obstacles and challenges in my life. And it wasn't until I had that wake-up call that I said, maybe I need to think about a better question to ask myself when stuff's going on. And that's when I switched to, what am I creating now? And that is a terrific question, because it can be applied to our business, it can be applied to our life, it can be applied to relationships, it can be applied to how I'm responding to this situation right now. If I get super upset and frustrated about something, what impact is that having on me, but also on the people around me? And so what am I creating now is one of my questions that I go to when stuff doesn't feel like it's going my way. Instead of WTF, it's, what am I creating now? Guess what? I get a lot better results out of what am I creating now than looking at everything that's wrong in a situation. So are you creating your best life? Are you creating the business that you want to see in the world? Yes or no? Only you can answer that. And if not, what are you going to do to change that situation? Starting today, because the only time we can really act is right now. That's it. That is our idiom for today. Sorry, there's no fun history or background on it, but it is a great belief and a great thought to embrace. If I am in control of it, if I am in control and have the ability to affect the outcomes of what I want based on my thoughts, my attitudes, and my beliefs, and my core values and my choices, guess what? I can control anything. And if I can control anything, then so can you. Have an awesome day. Any questions, hit me up. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom, hopefully where it came from, what does it mean for sure, and how might you apply it to your business and your life right now. Have a great day. Bye.